Now we will try to test the nature of acids and bases with different indicators. What is this indicator? Blue litmus. It is red litmus. It is methyl orange, and it is phenolphthalein. You see now in this four containers we have only acid, that is sulfuric acid. What is that? Sulfuric acid. In these two watch glasses sulfuric acid, and in this small two beakers also sulfuric acid. And in this base, that is sodium hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide solution.
Okay, so we have sodium hydroxide samples 4 and sulfuric acid samples 4. Now we will test this blue litmus response with acid and base, and then red litmus response with acid and base. The similar way methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Okay, just Charan take that one leaf of this blue litmus paper and test with what is that? Acid. Observe that. Just soak it in the acid. Then how is it changing? Red. So now tell me, acid changes the blue litmus to
Red litmus.
red color. Okay, acid changes the blue litmus to red. Now take out that paper and what do you take? The same blue litmus test with the base. No response with blue litmus. Okay, but while doing this activity we must take care, if any traces of acid touching to the paper or your fingers, the result may be wrong. Okay, so that blue litmus changes to no color, otherwise no response of blue litmus with what? Base. Next take the red litmus paper. Take the red litmus paper and check the response of acid and base. Is there any response of red litmus paper? No. Okay, take it back. Don't put on the table, it may be react and there is a change of color. Okay. So now response of red litmus paper in base, that is sodium hydroxide. What is the color? Blue. So what can we say? The red litmus can change to blue in basic solution. Okay, next phenolphthalein. You put 1 drop of phenolphthalein in this acid and observe carefully. Okay, 1 or 2 drops. Just you put 1 or 2 drops. Methyl orange.
2 drops.
1 or 2 drops. Then observe the color. What is that? Okay, leave it. Now observe carefully. Phenolphthalein changed the methyl orange changed the acid to red. What is this color? Red color.
Red or pink?
We can consider this is red. Okay. Now take the same phenolphthalein in base. 1 or 2 drops just leave it. Wait a second. Now what is the color of phenolphthalein in basic solution? Yellow. So you are observing practically, you should never forget this, the response of different indicators with acids and bases.
Methyl orange done acid.
So now finally we will conclude that methyl orange can turn the acids to red and the bases to yellow. Okay. Next we will test with phenolphthalein.
Colorless.
Tell me that before. What is the color of phenolphthalein? Colorless. So now put 1 or 2 drops of phenolphthalein in acid. 1 or 2 drops. Okay. Right. Of course, it is colorless. No color is formed. Okay. And next, 1 or 2 drops of phenolphthalein in base. So surprisingly, it is pink color. Liquids, so that is fastly reacts. So now finally the conclusion is what is that? Phenolphthalein cannot change the acid to any color, and the same phenolphthalein can change the what is that? Base to pink. So this dissolving, so that changing the color. So like this, the response of acids and bases with different indicators we have observed. Then now finally give the response. What is the response of blue litmus with acid? Red. And with base? No change. What is the response of red litmus with acid? No change. With base?
Blue.
What is the response of methyl orange with acid? Red. With base? Yellow. And what is the response of phenolphthalein with acid? Colorless. And with base? Pink. Okay. So like this, the remaining acids also almost all give the same response. We will see that in the next class. Okay. Thank you all.